In this video, you'll learn how to set the maximum number of attendees in Microsoft Bookings so you can control whether a time slot is a private appointment or a group event. This is really useful if you run one-on-one sessions, small classes, or larger group events and want your booking page to behave exactly the way you expect. Let's start from inside Microsoft Bookings. Once you're signed in and looking at your bookings calendar, you'll see a menu running down the left side of the screen. In that left sidebar, look for the option labeled Services. Go ahead and click Services. This is where you manage what people can actually book with you, like consultations, classes, or any kind of appointment type you offer. On the Services page, you'll see a list of your existing services if you already have some set up. If you want to create a brand new service with a specific attendee limit, click the button that says Add New Service. If you'd rather change the maximum number of attendees for something you already offer, find that service in the list and click the pencil icon next to it to edit. Either option will take you into the same editing screen. One just starts from scratch, and the other modifies what you already have. Once you're in the service editor, you'll see several tabs or sections across the top. Make sure you're on the Basic Details tab. This is where you define the core information about that service, like its name, description, and key settings that affect how people book it. In the Basic Details section, look for a field labeled Maximum Number of Attendees. This field controls how many people can book the same time slot for this specific service. It's really the key to deciding whether this behaves like a private appointment or a group session. Click into that Maximum Number of Attendees field and type in the number you want. If you set this number to 1, you're telling Microsoft Bookings that this is a standard one-on-one appointment. That means as soon as one person books a particular time slot for this service, that time will be marked as busy and it will no longer appear as available for anyone else. This is a great setting for things like private consultations, personal meetings, or any scenario where you only want one attendee at a time. If you set the number to 2 or higher, you're turning that service into a group event. In this case, the same time slot will stay visible as available on your booking page until the total number of attendees you specified have signed up. For example, if you set it to 10, up to 10 people can book that exact time for the same service. Only when the 10th person books it will that slot stop showing as available to others. This is ideal for workshops, group classes, webinars with a limited capacity, or any situation where multiple people can attend simultaneously. Take a moment to think about how you actually run this service in real life and match that number to the maximum group size you're comfortable managing. Once you've entered the number that works for you, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is important. If you close the page or navigate away without saving, your new attendee limit won't be applied. After saving, your updated maximum number of attendees is immediately in effect, and anyone who books that service from now on will be limited according to the number you just set.